Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the video using CapCut PC. So select CapCut apps to open it and just select new project to make a new project. Select media and select import to import the videos, audios and the photos that you want to edit. Just click open. So select your clips that you want to edit. So here you can use all the feature on the CapCut apps. You can split a clip, you can delete the clip, you can mirror, rotate, crop. You can add the audio to your project. You can select text to add the text. You can add stickers, effect, transition, filters, and you can also add the animation. You can um, you can add new background to your clip. That's it. So after you finish editing the video, you're just going to click export to save your project. So here appears the option like this. You can change for the resolution, frame rate, and etc. And you can change for the title of your project, and you can change for the place of your project, and just click export. So that's how you can use the CapCut PC for editing the video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.